ano yung reaction nyo? Okay po. Hindi, yung reaction nyo na lang dun sa hot topic ngayon na sinisisi yung mga girls sa pagsusuot nila ng mga sexy clothes or ng mga revealing outfits, kung bakit sila nahaharas, nababastos, and everything. Ito'y galing kay Alvin Arun. Sige, si Angelica mo.
Sino ba ang tinatanong?
Cast, pati ikaw, direct.
Parang bukas na tama.
Depende sa direct sa pagsagot nila.
Regardless of religion po ito.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, malalaman mo po kung ano yung isang tao based on how he talks and how he thinks. So, bakit mo sisisihin yung isang babae kung paano siya manamit, kung ganun ka mag-isip? Kasi meron nga po maraming bata, sanggol, lola, estudyante, na ano pa rin po sila, napagsasamantalahan pa rin sila mapababae, mapalalaki. Regardless of gender and age, wala po yan sa damit, nasa tao yan.
Thank you.
Okay. I didn't see kasi what he said, but I think that women have the right to wear whatever makes them feel beautiful. And yun lang yun. I think nobody should be disrespected, period. And everybody's entitled to express themselves however they want to, including the way that you dress. You know, that doesn't mean that you should be disrespectful to that person. You know?
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, same din po sa akin. I think just because a woman is wearing something sexy, it doesn't mean you can disrespect them already. So I think all women can wear whatever they want, and yeah, that's my take on it.
Thank you.
I think in a perfect world, you can wear whatever you want and people will not disrespect, they won't look, they won't check you out, they won't wolf whistle, but it's not a perfect world. And from my experience as a woman who's also, I do modeling and things that my physical look is contributing to my job, I learned that, okay, for this event, if I don't want to make this kind of attraction or attract these kind of people, I should wear something more appropriate. And I think I'm not condoning that any disrespect towards women that are wearing something that is revealing. But I think we can protect ourselves by making the right choices also about what we wear and what's appropriate. Kasi minsan, nakikita ko din, like for example, sa mall, that there are some people wearing like extremely sexy clothes, and there are children in the mall, and there are also men in the mall, maybe old men or young men, it doesn't matter, or other women, and it's only human nature that people look at that. So it's up to you. If you want people to look, you can wear something that will make people look. If you want to feel safe, you can also wear something that makes you feel safe. So we all have our responsibilities, but I'm not condoning like bad behavior. I still think there should be respect, but it's just not the perfect world.
Direct.
Akala ko yung artista na.
Direct.
Sama ka na direct.
Artista ka rin ha? Best ano?
Sa akin, ano kung pakialam natin kung anong gusto ng suot? Pakialaman lang natin kung talagang nakaka-insulto na sa moral natin ang ginagawa. Pero kung hindi naman, wala tayong pakialam. I-insultuhin ko, magagalit ko ako kung isang nakabikini ay namamalengke. Pumunta doon sa Nepa Cuba, nakabikini. Sasabihin ko, uy, ba't ka kayo magkakit ka? Magkasakit ka. Kung saan sila naroon, at gusto nila, doon lamang natin maaaring punahin. Pero kung gusto lang nilang nasa beach, naka-two-piece, nag-Victoria, naka-two-piece, aba, ano pakialam natin? Walang na natin silang pakialaman. Hindi naman nangyayari ang mangyayari kung hindi natin papayagan. Tayo ay may sariling kultura. Yung kultura, dinidictate kung paano tayo magre-react sa isang particular na bagay. Sa atin, kasi sa dami ng nangyaring influensya sa ating bayan, halimbawa ng simbahan, okay? Parang yung naka-influensya sa mga pag-iisip na mali. Halimbawa, hindi ka pwede magsimba nakatupis. Mga galit talaga ang tao sa iyo. Hindi ka pwede magsimba naka-bathing suit. Pero ngayon pwede na yung mga short na mga pek-pek short.
Sa UST hindi pwede.
Ngayon, ha?
Sa UST hindi pwede.
O sa UST, may mga lugar na hindi pwede. Pero ang ibig ko sabihin, ay hindi lamang naman yung mga babaeng nagpapakita ng kagandahan nila sa pagsusuot ng mga bagay-bagay na sinipsip natin kapangalina. Ang dahilan ng mga panangyayaring karahasan sa lipunan, hindi lang sila yun. Marami pang dahilan kung bakit nagkakaganoon. Kaya ako, wala akong pakialam kung ano yung suot mo. Kung hindi bagay sa iyo, di lalo hindi maganda. Yun lang po.
Haba ha?
Thank you, Direk. Queen.
Nako, triggered ako sa mga ganyan. Ang dami kong nababasa. Pero baka bukas tayo matapos. So, siguro, I'm gonna make it short. Sa lahat ng mga ganyan mag-isip, please don't blame our clothes for your poor upbringing.
Well, being a Christian also, siguro I have a different na talagang approach eh. Siguro, it's the golden rule eh. I always treat others as I want to be treated. So, sobrang hypocrite lang to. Tsaka sexy rin ako magsuot eh, by the way. So, lagi din ako nakataple. So, yung naman parang it's, para huwag siya magsuot ng ganito. So, for example, if I love working out, so kung maganda yung katawan mo, still floated every time. I don't really, may mga iba, you have to respect also the others. Yeah, kung medyo naiilang sila, yeah, that's, they have kaya nila yun, it's their own opinion. Pero respecting others, syempre, you have to respect coming from you. Kailangan mo din sila yung respect. So it's all about respect. Just be fair and alam naman natin lahat dito kung yung makakasakit. So, try na lang na kung pwede natin maging mas, don't judge. It's, parang less na yung hate, try natin kung pwede tayo mag-work together as one. That's the main point of, life. Yeah, lalim siya. So,
Don't
all about her. Malapit na po, all about her.
Marco!
Yes, ako naman kasi growing up in a Europe country, kumbaga wala kaming pakialam kung anong suot mo. So, who are we to judge? Diba? Kung if you feel comfortable in your own skin, diba? Who are you to judge? And siguro parang nag-culture shock din ako dito sa Pilipinas kasi syempre sanay ako na basta magbihis lang sa harap ng mga tao, diba? Lalo pag all boys, uy bro, ba't ka nagbihis dyan? Bakit skin lang yan eh? Bakit ginagano mo? So, if you feel comfortable in your own skin, diba?
May add lang pala ako. Pero pertaining sa sex bomb, kasi most of them, mga friends ko, kailangan talaga nilang magsuot ng comfortable sila. Sasayaw sila eh, kung di ba? Like, sa ganong industry natin, pag sumas, even sila pag si Angelica or pag napapagod, kailangan talaga magsuot something na kaya nyo mag-split, kaya nyo mag-backflip. Mahirap. Dapat safety pa rin. So, yeah, doon ko nakikita. It's a different siguro approach.
Correct! Ayun, syempre. No delicasyon, isang tanong lang, friend, ha? Huwag sa lahat. Ayos ka.
Di ba intindihan?
Hello po, yung tanong ko po sa Sir, ano po ang reaction nyo nang nakapasok yung movie na All About Her sa Sinag Maynila po?
It was unexpected first and foremost, but thankful and grateful for everything. And syempre, mineses ako ng partners ko dito. Sabi ko, salamat sa lahat ng effort nila kasi at in the end, I just have a minority stake on this, but it was a very good opportunity for me. So, thank you to everyone who was involved on this and to everyone who's here right now. Thank you.
Thank you po. Good luck sa movie.
It should be mentioned na Dennis Evangelista ang nagpasok nito sa Sinag Maynila.
Yes, Dennis!
That's great. Thank you.
Friend, may follow-up ako kay Sir Mike. Sir Mike, bakit yung pinasok yung pag-produce nito since na minsan sakit ng ulang pag-produce?
I literally had no idea on the headache that we were about to face. But I trusted my partners in this, and
when Mel Meloy offered it to me, parang hindi ako makapag-sing ng role kasi binomba niya na agad, Direct Joel. Sabi niya, the stars are gonna be good, they're gonna be good in whatever, in all the roles that they're gonna be doing, and I couldn't say no to Mel. So it's my first time to dip my toes into the industry, and you know, they say art imitates life, life imitates art, so I wanna know if it's true. And it is true. Thank you.
Okay po.
Thank you so much.
Ren, ang